This is an update on the mother of three. Since the initial video I posted, a few persons have reached out to me. Zion International Ministries from the Cayman Islands paid $36,000 for 3 months rent and security. We paid $5,000 to move her to the location. $6,000 was paid to the previous landlord, and we paid $7,000 for groceries plus an additional $5,000 that was given to her and additional $10,000 to get the land clean up for the farming. And we also bought a gallon of paint and a curtain for the bathroom. Thank you so much to Tisha, who donated 40 US, an anonymous donor from the US who donated 100 US, and Maxine from Canada who donated 50 US dollars. You're watching Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes, inspiring, motivating, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. Welcome back to Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. We're here to visit the mother of three. Hey, Abijah. Morning. Morning, everybody. Hi, how is everybody doing?
Okay.
Alright, so the mother and children are now at a better place because they're living in a rented house, and it's a 2-bedroom house. The children, as you can see, are looking lovely and healthy and clean. Right? So they're better. They because they're at a different location. It's like they're at peace. They're happier. That's what mommy said. Yes. So yes. So we're still trying to sort out the land situation and see what happens. The area that she's living, this house is also selling too, but we're not sure what the price is because it needs to be evaluated. So the update is that the mother is no longer living at the house that they wanted to evict her from. She is now living at a different house that was rented, but she still needs somewhere for herself. So what we're doing now, we're trying to sort out the land to ensure that everything is okay with the land, and then we can move forward from there. Alright, so this is a 2-bedroom house that she's in, but there's still not much in it. Take him, show you that. Right. So this morning I have some things that I got from the USA. It's a care package courtesy of Grace Thorpe from Atlanta, Georgia. And see, Abijah, I'm going to take them up already. Alright. So, alright, let's go inside. Since there's nowhere out here to take them out. Come, Abijah, come. Alright. So as you can see, it's relatively empty in here. There's this stove here that she has. This fridge that is not working. And you know, as a single mother, you know, it's a simple thing like this, a little fridge, and the children can get a little cold juice. They're not able to get that. So, you know, I'm just showing you the place is sealed. And it was recently painted. But yeah, there's nothing much in here. It's basically an empty space. Alright, so come kids, come see what Miss Grace Thorpe sent. Alright, you have some cereal here. This cereal I had to share it up. And some more cereals. You're welcome. Rice, we have grape jelly, some peanuts. I share them up. Some of them are honey roasted, some are just plain. We have some little canned food, ketchup. You're welcome, sweetheart. You're welcome. And we have Oreo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We have what is canned tuna. tuna and some biscuits for the kids. Alright, peanut butter. Who like peanut butter?
Me.
Okay, and we have some pasta. And this is oats. The bottom of the oats, you know, based on how it came down from the US, it kind of burst, so you have to probably put it in another container or fix it up. Yeah. And hot soup and some other canned food. And we have tissue, we have paper towel tissue, and this is a disinfectant wipe. You hear? So it's to clean like surface. Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, mommy.
Miss Grace, good morning. Thank you for the things that you sent for us. I do appreciate it. May God bless you and continue to bless you, richly bless you.
Amen. Alright. You want Oreo? You have to put it back in the Ziploc bag so that no ants get in it. Here. Put back the Oreo in that. Oh, you have the oats in it.
Take my shoulder. Carry that phone.
I also bring some chicken and chicken seasoning and oil, and so you can have a Sunday, nice Sunday dinner. You're welcome. Alright? Watch here. You happy? Huh? Oreo. That's Oreo. Alright. Thank you so much, Sister Grace from Atlanta. I really appreciate you reaching out to my program and doing this for, you know, families in Jamaica. So we have some more care packages courtesy of Grace Thorpe in Atlanta, Georgia to distribute. But as you know, it takes time, especially with not being able to go around because I don't have my own ride. So we are going to do updates as we go along. Alright, so if anybody else wants to contribute to the family, of course you can reach out. Thank you, baby. Reach out to me. Alright, you know my number is 876-919-5344. Alright. So the mother is going to be doing some farming. May have your pumpkin seed them in the bag too as well. Alright, so we're back with Cheryl again. I didn't get to bring some things, so I've brought them back now. We have 2 books and 4 pencils and crayon for the children and sharpeners. And this is some chocolate tea. It's Nesquik, and you can get hot chocolate, and some flour and rice. And oil, cooking oil. The flour and rice wasn't, I didn't have any bag to weigh them out as yet, so that's why I didn't get them the last time. And this now is paint for the bathroom, because the bathroom needs some touch up. And this is a bathroom curtain. Alright, so thank you so much to Grace from Atlanta again for doing this for this family. She's the one who sent the groceries and the pencils and the crayon and so on. Alright? And we want to say a big thank you also to the Zion International Ministries from the Cayman Islands. They really did an excellent job in assisting this family.
On behalf of me and my family, I want to say thank you to the Zion International Ministry and to Pastor Williams from the Cayman Islands. Thanks very much for all that you have done, and to Miss Grace in Atlanta.
Yes.
And all the other donators. I want to say thanks, and may God bless you, and thanks a lot for what you're doing, and continue, and God will richly bless you.
Yes, thank you all so very much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for making it Shanzen Zen Jamaican Vibe. From here in Manchester, Jamaica, walk good and look out for your neighbor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.